Welcome to Projects for All. My name's Mike, and today we got a quick one. This is Skils brand spanking new flip drill. This will run on this 12-volt battery that's included, and then we can throw a 20-volt on, so you get more speed and more power out of it on 20 volts. Let's get it out of the box. We'll check it out real quick, and we'll do some drilling and some driving and see how it works. 5-year warranty as always. 12-volt kit, brushless, 2 pounds. On this tool. It is very lightweight. It has 2 different torque settings, 300 inch-pounds on 12 volt, 20 volts you get 350 inch-pounds, and you can really tell the difference. Those 50 inch-pounds mean something. No load speeds are different, 12 volt, and because there's 2 speeds, you get 420 and 1550 RPM. 20 volt, a little bit higher, 450 and 1700. It is more powerful and faster on 20 volt, which obviously isn't surprising. Get your owner's manual, 5-year warranty if you register the tool. Comes with a USB-C charging, new design of battery. This is 12 volts. There's your USB-C charging, pre-charged by me, of course. Charger in the box. You get a brick, 20-watt brick, and you get a cable. Drill bits and a Phillips head to get you started. Belt clip, I'm always happy to see in the box. And here's our flip drill. This thing is very compact and very lightweight. It's got 2 speeds, that's 2. There's 1 just like a regular drill does. Reverse in a nice convenient spot. 1/4 inch quick disconnect. On the top here you have a magnetic strip. Not crazy strong, but it holds the pack of bits. So if you need to throw something on here, you don't want to put it in your pocket. I like when they do stuff like that. It's got a little LED light right on the front of it there. That is speed 1. There's speed 2. You can easily just grab the front of it like another handle. Press that button, flip it right out. It has 2 different modes. So you have drill mode right there. When you press that, you get a D. And now you're full power. It has a screw mode, 1 through 9 torque settings. There's 1, 4, a little faster, 7, and then you can switch real fast between drill, full power, back to 7, a little less power. Screw mode 9 feels like the drill mode, pretty much. Back to drill. Sounds the same. Switching back and forth. Doing this does not change this setting. So you can quickly go between drilling and screwing with different torque settings with the press of a button. If you leave this on whatever you want, say half torque, back to drill, back to half torque. Very interesting tool. I like the way this is set up. Belt clip goes on super simple. You've seen me do this a million times. Tab goes in the slot. There's 4 different batteries. We got the 12 volt that it came with, 2 amp hour. It's on drill mode. So that's top speed with the 12 volt. There's a 2 amp hour 20 volt. This is one of the newer USB styles. Clearly faster, you can hear it. There's a older 4 amp hour that I bought. 12 volt, and a 5 amp hour 20. This is the older style. This came off of 2x20 saw, the review that we did. That's where this one's from. And clearly faster. So you get your choice. Every Skil battery you own will fit in this thing and run it just fine. This lightweight, small, compact package, if you don't need the power, is seriously nice. I like it. Very cool design. Let's see how it does. We did the stack pack demo and I've never used this. I have so many bits. I bought this just to demonstrate that it clipped to that. So we got a bit holder. Got to pull those out and there we go. Drill bit for pilot holes. We'll throw that in there. So now we got a bit for pilot holes and a driver for whatever we're gonna drive. Let's start with everyone's favorite. Everybody loves Phillips. These little deck screws, they're like 1.25 inches or so. We've got it on drill. Nice and easy. Flip it to Phillips. So you got variable trigger, variable torque, and variable speed. You literally have everything you could possibly want in adjustability all in one. I don't think you could want for any of that. So real easy in a pilot hole. Without the pilot hole, real easy. Let's put it on screw 1. These little short screws. There's torque setting 1. Full trigger, that's all you get. It flashes. There's 2. Nope. 3. Nope. 4. Nope. 5. Nope. There's 6. Nope. 7. Nope. Let's just do 9. So 9 will tap out there. What if we put it on drill? It'll drill the screw right through. We're like half an inch in now. So setting 9. And it stops it right at the surface there. That's perfect. How about a bigger bit? 1/4 inch? Let's try that. Put it on drill. Plenty of power. Don't forget, this is with the 12 amp hour battery. Let's throw the 20 in there and see how it does. Crazy power. No problem. I don't think it'll make a huge difference, but here's 5 amp hour, 20 volt. Maybe a little difference. A little bottom heavy now. You can feel the weight difference, obviously, between this and the 12, but so we got Torx drive, 12 volt. We'll set it on torque 9, no pilot hole. That's it on torque 9. Let's set it on drill. No problem. All the power you need. With it set on drill, the torque settings for the screw mode is like a clutch, essentially. But on drill mode, there is no fooling around. This thing works great. I'm not gonna lie. The override kicks in when the screw head hits just on the surface there. Let's try with the 5 amp hour, 20 volt. Let's see if it sinks it deeper. It still flashes. It hits its end, the end of its torque range, or its power range. This is the 12 volt. The 20 volts a little bit deeper. So for the price, 80 bucks for the 12 volt kit, you can get the same kit with the 20 volt battery for about 100 bucks. That's what I find right now. I'll put links down in the description as always. Those links help the channel, don't cost you anything. So if you follow them and buy from there, if you're interested or buy anything, it really helps the channel out and I appreciate it. You guys tell me, professional tool or gimmick? Leave me a comment down below. I think for the price, this is pretty useful. I think it's pretty useful. It's very lightweight. The weight is what sells it. I could hold this thing out like this all day over my head, no problem. I like it. I like the 12 volt. And I like the fact that I can get more power with the 20 if I don't need the weight savings. It's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, hit like if you're a nice person, hit subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video.